Yes, hello guys, thank you very much and welcome back to this tutorial, and welcome back again to No Max TV. So in this tutorial I will be showing you the best and amazing application you can use to make money on your Android phone. You can make money on your Android phone in easy and simple steps. You can also withdraw the money you have made on your Android phone, so with this amazing application. So if you didn't subscribe, please first subscribe to this channel, No Max TV. Like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on the notification bell button so as you get notified when we upload a new video here at No Max TV. So without wasting time, let's get started. So now let me start by opening my Play Store. You can also use your Android phone. You can use also your smartphone to open this Play Store. After opening Play Store, you are going to find out or to search the application called Premise. So this is the best application I have seen, so you can use it and profit it. So on your Android phone, in your free time, so in your break time, so in your relaxing time, so and make money on your Android phone. So now you search the application which is called Premise. So I would encourage you to follow the steps to see how you can do this. So you see now it is called Premise. Now after clicking Premise, now there is an application which is opened here which is called Premise. So you see it is installed in my Android phone, but if you didn't yet install it, you are going to install this application in your Android phone. So after installing these applications in your this application in your Android phone, you see it has 8,000 reviews. So those are all people who reviewed this application. So if you come to check this application on this review, now you can find out what they have been saying about this application. You see now also you can get how this application work from this. So after installing this application, you see I'm going to click this open application now. So I'm going to open this application. So after opening, now I'm going to start the process just to start making money with this application. So you see now there are different options on this application. What you do now, you are going to see these options. You see how you can make money, share local knowledge, earn money. This is the first way to earn money. You need to share local knowledge and earn money. So as you can see this, also the second one is to explore, complete tasks in your area whenever you want. So you can complete some tasks in your area and earn money. So those are tasks with different processes and different functions. Now you see the third way of making money is to join thousands of contributors by sharing your local knowledge. Also you can join other contributors for this application by sharing your local knowledge or by sharing your knowledge, so as you can join the other intelligent persons, so as you can be sharing your knowledge together. So you see there is now another opportunity for this application where you get rewarded for this application. You see now get paid for each approved task. Now you are going to complete various tasks in this application. After completing the tasks in the application, so those tasks are going to be reviewed. After your tasks is already approved, now you got to get paid from this application. So now let's start showing you how you can do this. You see now you can be paid as the way you use this application. Now let me show you how you can start using this application. If you didn't sign up with this application after downloading it, you need to click here sign up. So but if you have already an account on this application, you are going also to start by clicking here on login option. So you can also log in or sign up for this application. So let me show you now. For signing up, you need to continue. You can choose to continue with Google, or you can need to continue also with your email on your Google. So now let me continue with Google. So then wait. When I choose to continue with Google, it means that my Gmail account is the one which is going to be used on this application, and the information associated with my Gmail account are the only ones which are going to be used on this Gmail account. So you see I have a Gmail account on this, which one I am going to use. So now I need to click here on this Gmail, or I can add another email if I don't want to continue with the existing Gmail account. So now let's wait for this, then we proceed. So you see it can take sometimes some seconds to load. So after loading, you continue with the next procedures. So yes, you see now it is opening. So as you see here now, it is opening with the existing Gmail account in my Android phone, but it doesn't mean you cannot add your Gmail account. You can also add your new Gmail account, or you can continue with the existing Gmail account in your Android phone. Also, you can continue with the new email, so as you will be using it in any other phone. Also, while you want to sign in with this application in a new Android phone. So you see, after now, after opening this application, you see there are rewards. So these rewards are accordingly to the country location. So you see I have 31 francs as a reward, but so those are the price that you are going to get paid for completing this task. This task is around 3 to 4 minutes while answering or responding to the questions asked. So after getting approved to the answer you have provided, also you are going to get paid. So now let me show you this service. So this service and these tasks. So when I click these tasks, you see these tasks are unpaid tasks, and you see here there is one completed task which is not unpaid. It is under review, means that after getting reviewed for these tasks, also I will be paid for this. Now let me click on this account. So when I click this account, you see I can get various options, including my Gmail and including also my names I have inserted while signing up with this application. Now on market, yes, click on market here. Yes, when I click on market, you see they show me the tasks I have to complete, so as I can earn money with this application. So I can also choose to locate this. You see I can choose to locate. Now they are saying that you need to come back soon, because nowadays there is no active tasks I can complete, so as I can earn rewards from this application. So let me show you now on payment options. Here you see these are payment. So now these are payment. You see now my new balance on my balance is I have 51 francs. Also, when I convert this to USD, I'm going to have 0.005 USD. So I can compare this. So how to cash out this money? You need to come here. There is minimum threshold to cash out this money. You see they are saying that you need to earn 4,695.15 franc also to cash out this money. So there are various processes to cash out this money. Also here there is MTN vendor, so I can choose to withdraw or to cash out this money to my SIM card. Also I can use Coinbase, as you can see here. Also you see the Coinbase now, and the minimum threshold of this Coinbase. Also I can click see all. Now you see now they are still showing me that the balance is too low. Is too low means I didn't already complete the minimum threshold to withdraw this money on my application. But once I complete this threshold to withdraw this money, also I'll be ready to cash out this money on my Android phone. Also, I can withdraw them on my SIM card, or I can also withdraw them on Coinbase, depending on which country I'm located to use this application. So on tasks, as you see here now, these are complete tasks now, and this on market now, as you see when I click on market, also you see, let me show you the service. So now how is this application going to work? You are going to click this. For instance, this is the task. Once you want to start making money with this task or this service which is having that amount of money, you are going to click start now. So once you click start now, it takes time to load. So once it opens now, we're going to answer these questions. How much do you agree with the following statements? Overall, in my local area, there is enough housing for people with average income. So you can also choose to agree with this, then you click continue. The way you are going to respond for these questions until you finish this list of questions, also are going to get reviewed for your answers you have provided. Then after, you are going to pay for the amount or for the tasks you have completed. Once you meet the minimum threshold to cash out those money, also you can add your cash out or your payment method so as you can get the money from this application. Thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on notification bell ring so as you get notified when you upload a new video here at Max TV. If you have any question, issue or suggestion, please leave it in a comment section. Thank you for watching.